The YouTube Partner Program, or YPP, gives creators greater access to YouTube resources and features. If you're looking to make money with your channel, you'll need to apply and be approved for YPP. To apply for YPP, you must be in good standing with YouTube, have at least 1,000 subscribers, and have 4,000 valid public watch hours in the last 12 months. We've set these thresholds because we want creators to be good citizens on the platform, and these requirements ensure our teams have enough information to review your channel. You can check your progress towards hitting these thresholds on the monetization page of YouTube Studio. You can also choose to be notified with an email once you're eligible to apply. Once your channel does hit these thresholds, you'll need to sign the Partner Program terms and sign up for a Google AdSense account. After all of these steps are completed, then your channel will be reviewed against our policies. If everything looks good, you can start earning money from ads and from YouTube Premium subscribers watching your content. You can also earn money in other ways, with channel memberships, Super Chat, or even by selling your own merch, as long as you meet their criteria and they're available in your location. Now, let's walk through some common questions. 1. How long does it take for my channel to be reviewed? If you think your channel qualifies for YPP, but it hasn't been reviewed yet, we'll usually get back to you in about 1 month once you hit the review thresholds. Remember, you can find more about your status on the monetization page in YouTube Studio. 2. Why wasn't my channel approved? If you're not approved for YPP, it's likely because our reviewers found that a significant portion of your channel doesn't meet the YouTube Partner Program policies and community guidelines. Some of the most common reasons for not being accepted are regarding the AdSense program policies, specifically related to reused or repetitious content. This is content that is very similar or exactly the same across videos and channels. You can reapply again in 30 days, as long as you still meet the watch hour and subscriber thresholds. Before you reapply, we suggest you read through these policies and edit or delete any videos that violate those policies. 3. Do I have to meet the threshold every year? The short answer is no. However, you do need to stay active with uploads and community posts. If you're inactive on your channel for 6 months and fall below the threshold, we may remove your channel from the Partner Program. For more information on applying to the YouTube Partner Program, check out the resources in the description below. Thanks for watching.